Hi friends, I'm going to make a short video now. Okay, so look at the ocean. Look at the ocean. It's just amazing. Okay, so I want to share an insight which I received. See, twin flames are sent on the planet to bring 5D timelines. I've said that before. Okay, so how do twin flames bring heaven on earth? How do twin flames bring heaven on earth? The reason we are having these hellish timelines that are manifesting here in this dimension, in this 3D reality, okay, we have these lower timelines. It is because of the karmic blockages in the chakra systems that people have, okay. See, in olden times, there was a time when everybody's Kundalini was at the third eye level, okay, and in Hindu culture, we have this saying that there were some 32 or 33 crore gods and goddesses, okay. So, what does it mean? It means everybody was functioning with a chakra system that is healthy, okay. It didn't have blockages, okay, and when your chakra system doesn't have blockages, you pull in the 5D timelines, okay. So twin flames basically they cannot ground in 3D. They only ground when all the blockages are cleared, and when they ground, they pull in 5D timelines, okay. So if you've seen that magic trick, no, where there's a hat and he pulls out some rabbit out of the hat and some other things out of the hat, and you wonder from where he's pulling out all these things from his hat, okay. So those are magic tricks. But I'm not talking about magic tricks. I'm talking about metaphysics and learning the soul anatomy. Learning in detail the technical aspects of your avatar self. So when you have cleared the ancestral karma and all the karmic blockages that you are carrying, just by virtue of your Kundalini staying at the third eye level, you begin to pull in the 5D timelines from wherever they are in the universe. But what has happened here on this planet is that the timeline manipulation has occurred. Traumas have been inserted into people's chakras. And by virtue of these blockages, people functioning through blocked chakra system, we automatically pull in the lower timelines, okay, and that creates the hellish realities that we find on this planet, okay. So that is the reason the Twin Flame Collective has come here at this time, because we actually take on karma, we clear the karma, the third eye opens, and when the third eye opens, we begin to pull in the 5D timelines. But it is not an easy journey. It is not an easy journey because when you are about to get there, there are a lot of psychic attacks. Because the Kundalini is clearing the blockages, but the dark forces, they don't want that to happen. And the blockages that the Kundalini is clearing is not just your, if it was just your lifetime of blockages, it would be cleared in like a month or something, like I'd say a week. A week is enough if it was just about you. But you are creating the karmic blockages of 10 generations or something before you, on both the sides, on mother's side, on the father's side. This intense work is being done inside your body because you're carrying all the blockages and all the energetic manipulation inside your body, inside your cellular structure, inside your subtle bodies. So there is a purpose. If you are an illumined twin flame, there is a purpose why you took on the karma. There is a purpose why you are here in a 3D matrix that is not your home. Because you can bring your home with you. You can bring your reality with you. You just have to work on clearing the blockages. Sadhana is very important. Being in samadhi is very important. It is only in samadhi that the blockages are cleared, but you need to be in a safe place. You need to be in a safe place because the demons can sense your energy. They know that you are in samadhi. So the demons come from all sides and they'll try to attack you. Because that is the nature of the demonic energies. Because the demonic energies live parasitically. They have upper chakra blockages, so they need to trouble someone to get energy from them. They latch on to their energy fields. And that is the kind of matrix you are living in. But once your third eye starts to open, you can sense which are the healthy humans and which are the infected humans. And twin flames are here not only to pull in the 5D timelines, they are here to teach others how to do it. They are here to clear the energetic clutter in the collective consciousness. Because the demonic energies, they are very smart. They instantly know who belongs with them. They can recognize other demons from their family. And they instantly form the bond. That is how you can recognize, no matter how much high post a person might have, you can recognize that person through his friends. So the demonic energies are very good because they function through the polarized solar plexus, which is all about identity. Which is all about identity. So they at once know the negative identities and they group with them. When you reach the level of the third eye, you can recognize the negative identities, you can recognize the positive identities. So yeah, twin flames are sent here to pull in the 5D timelines, to pull in the heavenly timelines here. Because once the blockages are cleared, nothing can interfere in your energy field. If it does, my goodness, if it does, and I have seen it, Even when twin flames are not in their power, they are very strong. But once the twin flames are in their power, the entire nature supports them because they are connected. There's a process called Gaia activation. So you're connected to the planet. The entire planetary energy supports you. Mother Gaia supports you. You can talk to the planetary consciousness. You can talk to the animals. You can talk to the birds. And even when you're doing sadhana and you have to be in periods of aloneness, your twin is with you in his 5D forms. The animals are with you, the birds are with you, the nature is with you. You're closer to all these elements more than you can know. because it's a sacred relationship and a contract that we have with Gaia. Because it's a sacrifice here to come to this bottom feeder. This world is a shitty place. It has been made like that. So we have a job of clearing the karmic clutter here. We have the task of returning the divinity here. So it's a tough mission, but there are normally a certain number of twin flames come on this planet and they hold the energy. So they are like the frequency holders. They hold the energies. But now it's not about holding energies. Now it is about, it's a huge leap. Now it's like we are shifting this planet. Now it is the transition of the ages. So this is how things are going to be from here on. It's only till you have the ancestral karma that negative forces have power over you. Once it is over, they don't have the balls to stand in front of you. They don't. Because I have seen it. I have seen it happen. When my avatar self embodied within myself, my intention was enough. My intention was enough to tackle my enemy. That is who Illumine Twin Flames are. So I encourage you to keep going. It is just a matter of cleaning the shit in your chakra systems. I'm sorry to say this, but a karmic debris that is lost in people's chakra system pollutes this planet. There is no sense of responsibility or psychic cleanliness that people should have. And that is the purpose Twin Flames have here, to bring this awareness. You're not supposed to be living parasitically. So this is what I have for you for today. So if you are belonging to the Illumine Twin Flame Collective, keep going. Keep working hard, keep doing your sadhana, and keep your eyes on your mission fixed. Keep your eyes on your goal. You have to reach your goal. You have to reach the third eye level. Who doesn't want to reach the third eye? Who doesn't want? Everybody wants. Like I said in my previous video, everybody wants to get there. But you need to prioritize that. And you need to deal with the risks that come with it. So I'm sending my love to my entire community of my twin flames who are here, who is on this journey, who are Illumine Twin Flames, who are on the twin flame path, and who are in the spiritual awakening process, who are all the light workers. We are here to fix the grids and restore Mother Gaia to her original state. And my salute to all of you for being such beautiful souls. So that is what I have to say for today. I'll see you next time, and bye for now. I'll just give you a few seconds of this beautiful view some more. And here that this beautiful animal come here to watch me See that cute little dog there. They can recognize the energies and they feel calm. See, he's shaking his tail. He just attacked somebody here who was trying to cross the boundaries, but he looks so happy now. So that's what I have to say for now. Bye bye bye. See you next time.